Hello, my name is Kathy Holt. I am an accountant, a small church accounting software specialist, and an authorized Power Church Plus teaching consultant. A common frustration when entering transactions is knowing when to use a debit and when to use a credit. Would you like a quick tutorial on using debits and credits? No problem. One way to understand debits and credits is by using T accounts. Each chart of account line item to which all financial transactions are coded will be in one of 6 categories: asset, liability, equity, income, expense, or transfer. Let's look at T accounts for the first 5 categories. In a real-life example, First Church receives $4,700 in the offering for tithes. Let's plug the transaction into our T accounts. Since the balance in the asset, in this case the bank account, will increase, the asset will be debited. Since the balance in the income, in this case tithes, will increase, the income will be credited. Notice the debit and credit amounts equal. Writing the entry in longhand would look like this. If you are confused at this point because on your bank statement the checks are debits and the deposits are credits, let me explain the reason. The debits and credits in your books will be the opposite the debits and credits in the bank books. Why? Money into you is money out to them. Their side of the books will be the opposite of your side of the books. Let's look at one more real-life example with our T accounts. The church janitor purchased both cleaning supplies and kitchen supplies. The total cost was $75, of which the cleaning supplies cost $50 and the kitchen supplies cost $25. In this case, there is 1 credit but 2 debits. The total credit, which is $75, equals the total of the debits, which is also $75. Writing the entry longhand would look like this. If you need help with understanding what is or how to use debits and credits, T accounts, double entry accounting, making financial transactions or journal entries, chart of accounts, assets, banking, income, expenses, or transfers, see the number below or visit our website at cpachurch.com.